This is the proof right here on our screen that I just got a free $10 no deposit bonus, and I'll be showing you how you too can get your own in this video. All you have to do is to make sure that you watch this video till the very end. And also, as you can see right here on my screen, people have been withdrawing from this particular no deposit bonus that I am dropping right now, that I am making right now. So make sure that you don't slow on it. Make sure that you are fast about it. Once you are done watching this video, go and claim yours and start trading. You can be able to withdraw your profit just as the rest have been doing. So before we start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, all you have to do is to make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, like this video, and comment, and most importantly, turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a video about a free no deposit bonus and free profit account and money making update in 2025 that you can start making money with, you'll be the first person to get it. Alright, so now let's proceed. The link to get this free $10 no deposit bonus will be pinned in the comment section and will also be pinned in the description of this video. All you have to do is to click on it and it will take you to my Telegram channel. And now let's talk about my Telegram channel. As you can see right here on the screen, this is my Telegram channel whereby we drop money making update, no deposit bonuses, and a free profit account. And as you can see, there are a lot of withdrawals proof on my that has been sharing on my Telegram channel. So if you know that you want to start making money in 2025, and if you know that you are very skillful at trading but you don't have free capital to start trading, then my channel is for you. All you have to do is to go to the description of the video and subscribe to my Telegram. So once you get to my Telegram, all you have to do is to click on the link that you find here. You'll see the link to be able to get this free $10 no deposit bonus. So once you click on the link, you'll be brought to this website. Alright, so once you get to this website, this is what you have to do. Just make sure you pay attention and I will show you what you have to do. So once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to fill in your necessary details, which include your personal details, and click on create account. And so once you are done, it will bring you to this place. Enter your name and click on continue. And once you click on continue, it will bring you to somewhere like this, and you have to really pay attention to this place. Click on tick trader and select gross account. Select gross and choose any currency that you want, and also just click on next once you are done. Click on next once you are done. Note this: if you don't want to forfeit your chances of getting this no deposit bonus, make sure that you choose tick trader and gross account. Don't choose any other thing. So once you're done with that part, the next thing for you to do is for you to fill in your KYC verification details. So once you fill it in, I'll be showing you the next thing on how to verify your account. So the next thing for you to do is for you to upload your front and back ID, and once you're done, your account will be verified. Alright, so also upload your proof of address and your liveness check. And once you're done with all of that, as you can see, we are processing your data. So they will go through your data to check if you are verified. So the next thing for you to do is for you to authenticate your account. Alright, the next thing for you to do is for you to authenticate your account. So in order for you to authenticate your account, click on authenticator method, and it will take you to somewhere like this, whereby you have to copy this code and go back to the website to confirm the authenticator method. And once you get back to your website and you have confirmed the authenticator method, when you go back, once you are done with all of that, it will bring out your balance. As you can see, this is the balance over here. This is the $10 showing up right here on our screen. We've been able to get it. So once you are done with your KYC and your authenticator method, you will automatically receive the $10 no deposit bonus. And let me get you familiarized with this website, because you won't be using your MT5 Trader app or any other app apart from Tick Trader app. You'll be using Tick Trader app. That's what we selected the other time. So I'll get you familiarized with it. Alright, so in order for you to start trading on this particular website, just click on trade, and once you click on trade, it will load and bring you to where you are going to be trading. All right, so as you can see right here on our screen, this is the platform that you're going to be using to trade, and this is the market. This is where you're going to be analyzing the market, and this is where you're going to be placing your order, and this is where you're going to be making your analysis in short. So now we have to talk about the terms and condition you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profits. So make sure you pay attention, and for more details about the terms and condition, it will be posted in my Telegram channel. So make sure you join my Telegram channel because it is very necessary. All right. If you have been able to get yours, make sure you are subscribed to that. Make sure you drop a comment in the comment section, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your trade.